Hi everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to do something a little different. We are going to draw snowflakes. Ooh, look at all those shapes. I'm not even going to say what shapes and lines we're going to use. We're just going to do it together. So grab some construction paper, and I'm going to use this gel crayon to draw on top of the construction paper so you can see the white snowflakes on the blue construction paper. So if you want to pause the video and get your art materials, go ahead and then join me back here and we're going to make some snowflakes. If you're going to draw snowflakes on construction paper, you can use any of these or even more art materials. If you have an oil pastel, or we have a colored pencil here, we have a paint stick, and I'm going to use a gel crayon. So get your art materials and let's get started. Now you can create snowflakes with all sorts of shapes. I'm going to use circles a lot and lines. And you can follow along, and then after you get the hang of this, you can start creating your own snowflakes. You don't need to follow along with me, but if you want, you can follow me all the way till the end. All right? So let's start up here in the upper left-hand corner, and we're going to make a very simple snowflake. We're going to do a line, another line, another line, like that, and then one more line, just like that. And then over here, so that's a very simple snowflake. You don't have to do anything else. Over here, we're going to do a similar thing. We'll do a line, we'll do another line, and then we'll do one in the middle. And we're going to set it up just like the last snowflake, but we're going to change this one. Now I'm going to color circles around the ends of those lines, just like this. And every snowflake should be unique. Every one is different, just like all of us, just like all of you. Every one is different. So now we're going to make a similar one like this, but let's add a different shape in the middle. Let's make a circle in the middle, and then we'll make the lines come out of the circle. And then another line here, and then another line, and another line, just like that. And you can pause this video any time to catch up. And you can make up your own snowflakes too. I'm curious what kind of snowflakes you're going to make. So now we have our basic snowflake like this. I'm going to add this shape like this. It's like an arrow pointing inward. Look at that. Just on those 4 lines, I'm going to add it just like that. And now I'm going to do another snowflake over here. I'm going to use the circle again. I like that circle in the middle. And then I'm going to do short lines all around it. Look at this. On the opposite side. Just like that. It's going to look almost like a little sun. A snowflake sun. Just like that. But now I'm going to do circles on these 4 lines, and then on these 4 lines I'm going to do those arrows again pointing inward. Now you see all 4 of these snowflakes are different, but they use all of the same elements. We're just changing them. Each one is a little different. Okay, so let's keep going. What else can we come up with? Let's do another circle, but let's put a circle in the middle. And then let's color that in like a donut. Look at that. And now let's see, what can we do? Let's make those lines come out. We'll do 4. And then I'm going to make triangles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 sides on a triangle. And then I'm going to make 2 lines like this on each long line. And I'm making this up. As we're drawing, I'm just coming, what do I feel like drawing? And you know what? I'm going to add a circle on the top of each triangle. Look at this. That's neat. You can do whatever shapes you want. It's your snowflake. I just want you to make sure that each one is different than the last one that you drew. Okay, and now we're going to add another circle here. And let's see, let's do arcs around. Make this one look like a flower. I'm just doing a series of arcs around the circle, just like that. And then I'm going to add, from the middle, I'm going to add lines. Look at that. I'm going to cross. You can go all the way across if you want. And then I'll add circles at the end. And then I'm going to have lines come out this way. They're not going to go across. And then they're going to have that arrow. Look at that. That's an interesting snowflake. And then I'm going to do one more right over here, and then we're going to fill in the areas with smaller snowflakes. Okay, so I'll do one more over here. Let's do another circle. And then let's see, I'm going to make squares on this one. Squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. Okay, and then, actually, you know what? I'll make 4 more squares because there's enough space to do that. I think that might look neat. 4 more squares, just like that. And then, in the space between the squares, let's have lines come outward, like this. Look at that. Neato. And now I'm going to have 2 lines on that one, and then a circle, and then 2 lines, and then a circle. And I'm going to work my way all the way around the snowflake. And then why not, let's add in the middle, let's make a little cross like this, a little plus sign. Okay, so now we have our big snowflakes. Let's make some smaller snowflakes, and those can look like this. They do an X for 1. This one can be a star with 1, 2, 3 lines. This is 1, 2 lines. And maybe this one is 6 lines over here. 1, actually we have a 6-line one over here, so maybe we'll do something a little different. We'll do 1, 2, 3, but we'll make a circle in the middle. And then over here we'll do a small 6-line one, like this. But since we want to make every one a little different, maybe I'll do circles on the ends of these 4. And then over here, maybe this one is going off the paper. It's not all on the paper. So maybe we just see a little bit of a circle here, like the snowflake is falling onto the page from outside the page over here. And then we'll do just 3 lines. And then we can make a circle, and then a line, and then a circle. And now, what I'm going to do is make it look like there's really tiny snowflakes all mixed in. And I'm just going to do little colored circles, just like this. Just color in small circles all around. And it looks like it's snowing. Now these snowflakes are all a little different, but they're very far away or very small, so you can't really see them as well. And we fill in our paper to make it look like it's snowing. Look at our beautiful snowflakes, everyone. I hope you enjoyed drawing snowflakes with me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks for drawing with me. Bye! For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. with M-R-M-I-K-E.